Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with TD Ameritrade using account protection, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start authenticating with TD Ameritrade, visit the official website or open the mobile app. Locate the login section on the home page. Enter your username and password into the respective fields. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will receive a prompt for verification. Check your registered email or phone for the verification code. Input the verification code in the provided field on the login screen. Once you enter the code, press the login button to proceed. If you encounter any issues, ensure your credentials are entered correctly. If you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link to initiate a reset. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password. After successfully logging in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security section to set up additional account protection features. Consider enabling biometric authentication if available on your device. You may also opt for security questions as another layer of protection. Review your account recovery options to ensure they are up to date. Regularly monitor your account activity for any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps, you will enhance the security of your TD Ameritrade account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.